Hello, hello. So we are starting out in Affinity Designer. This is where I actually come through and design all of my images. Next, we will go into an old program of Sawgrass Print Manager, that's a sublimation printer, and we'll pull it up to print. Here we are, we have it printed out on our Sawgrass, and that is my bypass tray that you buy to make additional print sizes of 13 by 19. The biggest thing ever, you gotta lint roll when you are working with sublimation. Little tiny specks of dust will add a discoloration to your substrate, and you'll have like little blue marks, little black marks. Always lint roll the heck out of these images. So I'm going through and I'm cutting down the image, but after I cut it down, I also will start to tear the edges. Now you want to tear the edges so that you don't get a harsh press line of the image onto your shirt, your substrate. Most likely you're going to be doing shirts or blankets, but this is just to decrease that harsh press line. I do this for all my images when I'm using shirts and blankets. It just helps out a lot. Okay, now off camera, I did pre-press my shirt. You want to pre-press your shirt to get any of the moisture and everything out. Now we are lining it up. I use a t-shirt roller. I think I purchased it from Amazon. I can't remember. I have like a lot of t-shirt alignments. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't, to be honest. But I'm just lining it out to make sure that it's right in the middle. And for this particular image, I'm using some specialty heat press tape, so it can withstand the high temperature. I don't know why I can't talk today, but it can withstand the high temperature, and it's just to keep the image in place so that it doesn't wiggle and move, and then you get ghosting, and ghosting really does suck bad because then you just have like a shirt that's ruined. And then I'm putting over some butcher paper to protect my heat press, so to make sure, just some ink doesn't kind of go through. And it's about to pop open. We pull it out. Real fast. You don't want to move anything because it is still hot. So even if you move something right now, you can still get that ghosting. And I pull the image off really quick, and then I go through again and I lint roll some more. That is to also decrease and minimize the press lines, because it seems like no matter what, you're going to get some type of press line from your big heat press. It just happens. So I found that this helps out a lot to get rid of those press lines. I'm most likely going to go through again because I get kind of OCD about press lines. I want the image to be perfect. And there we are, our final image. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.